Is the recent cache in Windows 11 driving you crazy? Every time you open File Explorer, it's like a spotlight on everything you have been doing. Front and center for anyone to see. It's cluttered, awkward, and let's face it, not exactly private. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to fix that and keep your activity under wrap. Let's dive in and clean it up. By the way, today we are using Access Voice Unmute. Open File Explorer. Show numbers. Click on 19. Click on Options. Click on Clear. Click on Show Recent Used Files. Click on Show Frequently Used Folders. Click on Show Files from Office. Click Apply. Alright, click on OK. Close window. And that's it, guys. Now your File Explorer is looking clean and sleek, just the way it should be. No more cluttered history for anyone to peek at. If this helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips. Get more tech issues? Drop them in the comment sections below and I'll be there to help. Until next time, stay productive and keep your system running smooth. Have a good day. Bye bye.